The Cool House Tour is an annual self-guided tour produced by Austin Energy Green Building and Texas Solar Energy Society. The tour showcases homes that are designed and built for energy and water efficiency, durability, health, and comfort. Homeowners and building professionals are on site during the tour to share their experience and tips on remodeling or building a new green home in the hot and humid Central Texas climate.
Hi, I'm Amy Bramwell. I'm the owner and builder of this house.
I'm Amy Bramwell with Studio Steinbaumer Architects. This is my dad, and I also live next door, and we are part of the Cool House Tour. I think we knew we were going to do kind of an open concept, great room, kitchen open to the room. So we knew we wanted to have family gatherings, and I think we knew we were going to do rainwater. And other than that, the rest of the green building things kind of happened pretty organically through the construction process.
So under the deck here, we've got 7 900-gallon tanks for a total of 6,300 gallons of rainwater storage. The rainwater comes off of both sides of the roof and goes under the deck. You've got trap doors on both ends and 2 pumps. Rain first comes off the roof. It comes in on these pipes and fills this large pipe. This is called the first flush unit. These energy efficient features and technology, you don't have to be tech savvy if you set them up right. And you can minimize the maintenance to virtually nothing. They run by themselves. This is the solar photovoltaic array. There's 33 280 watt panels that create 9.2 kilowatts of power. And then this is the solar pool heater. This unit here creates 480,000 BTUs, and it actually heats the pool very quickly. Adding the energy efficient features can be expensive when you look at it initially, but both the federal government gives tax credits and the city of Austin is very generous with its credits. So when you take the credits in mind, the payout on these energy efficient features, generally they pay for themselves in 4 or 5 years with the credits, and after that it's just free.
Hi, my name's Mark.
And I'm Christine, and we're on the Cool House Tour.
And I'm Meeta Morrison of Meeta Morrison Designs, and I designed this space.
We've done the tour several times over the years, first one 2007, and so it's something as we were looking at design and houses that we've kind of thought about it would be neat to do. And so I signed up for the Green by Design workshop that Austin Energy offers. And through that workshop, I learned a lot about air conditioning systems, water use savings devices like low flow faucets, LED lighting to minimize energy use. So we have 100% LED lights throughout the house.
Good afternoon, my name is Travis Young with Studio Momentum Architects and Studio Momentum Design Build. I'm the architect as well as the general contractor for this project. And if we like, we can go ahead and take a look and see some of the features of the house. The shipping container is the elephant in the room. It weighs 2.5 tons empty, but they're not the greatest living space. What they are good at is storage and structure. So we just recently got our new 300-gallon rainwater collection cistern placed at the back of the property. And this is going to be filled by a sump, and our large roof that is above the apartment all slopes to one direction to make that collection very easy. And we also installed on the side of the shipping container here, our electric car charger.
Hey, I'm Lex. We're here in North Loop on a very sunny day to talk about the Cool House Tour. I own and operate Newcastle Homes, and this is a personal residence we built here in North Loop. So another green feature is keeping your footprint down, and I mean your environmental footprint as well as your physical footprint. This whole home is about 1,000 square feet of conditioned space, but it lives way bigger than that. For example, we have a truly usable, well-shaded, screened-in porch. So here's the control center for our home. We have solar array on top of this house, which seriously reduces our bills. Our electric bill was negative $15 last month. And everything is voice controlled, smartphone controlled, and can be operated or programmed from anywhere in the world.
We're big fans of the Cool House Tour. We went last year, and when we got the email, we're excited to come again. It is great that we get to talk to the design professionals and the owners of the house. And when we have specific questions, particularly if we're looking for something for us, we like to ask the question of the designer.
I minored in construction at Texas State, and I really am interested in different green buildings, both commercially and residentially. So when I heard about this tour, I really wanted to come and see the improvements that homes are making in Austin.
I know that a lot of folks like my husband and myself live in older homes, like our house was built in the mid-60s. And we're at a stage where we're looking for ways to renovate. And we have an issue with the sun hitting our back porch at a certain angle that we'd sort of like to correct. And so I've been getting ideas about those kinds of things, as well as just interior ideas for how to give your house a facelift and make it more cool and energy efficient. It's been really great.
The favorites and the surprising stuff of the tour that we've seen so far is some of the bathroom choices, because we're right in the midst of thinking about bathroom. But also, two of the houses have the electric car jack right in the back. And it's just something that, yeah, we hadn't thought of, but yeah, it was quite interesting to see.
I would recommend this tour to other individuals who are interested in green buildings. And I would also recommend this because there are educational credits that are being offered on this tour for professionals to come out and get ideas for their work.
They have that terrazzo.
I would recommend the Cool House Tour because there are so many ideas. It's the right time of year to be thinking about it because it's getting hot in Austin, and it's the great time of year to be checking out what works and what doesn't work. It's great.
I think having come into the house the first time to look at it with the realtor and now coming back into the same house, it's hard to believe it's the same one.
It's a great house. I'm very proud of it. I think they're very proud of it, but also it was this incredibly organic, self-educating process that happened. And we were witness to it and part of it, and it's just a special story. And I think one of the things that this story tells is that you don't necessarily have to be an architect or a contractor to find ways to incorporate these things in your home. I mean, everybody could do a little bit and do it successfully and incorporate it into their lives, and it would make a big difference.